How to download songs on Spotify. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can download songs on Spotify. Now as you know, you'll need to have the premium in order to download the songs on Spotify to be able to listen them offline later on when you are not connected to the internet. Now here is how you can do it. First I'll show you how to get Spotify premium and the benefits of the premium, and then I'll show you how to download songs once you have the premium. Simply open up Spotify app and you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is make sure you're logged into your account and tap on the premium option at the very bottom right corner of your screen. Once on premium, here you'll get the get premium option at the very top. You can see simply tap on get premium option, and there once you tap on it, you'll be able to view your plan. Make sure you have the correct plan chosen that you want, and then go ahead and continue here, continue with Spotify or continue with Google Play. Tap on the either option and then go ahead and make the payment, and you'll be able to get the premium. Down below here you can see why join premium. You can see the benefits of premium. You can download to listen offline without Wi-Fi. You can listen to ad-free music and you can get better quality, better sound quality. Specifically, you can play songs in any order without skips, and you can cancel monthly plans and online anytime. Now once you get the premium, what you want to do is you want to head into the album that you want to download. You can head into a home page and you can head into the album from your library, or you can search in from the search bar. And once you open up the album, there you can see the heart icon, and beside it you can see the download icon. That is basically the circle icon with the download arrow facing downwards icon there. That's the download icon. Simply tap on it and you'll be able to download songs. However, you'll only be able to download once you have this premium. So this way you can download songs on Spotify and get Spotify premium. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.